Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another interesting video today, and I am definitely sure from the title of this video it would interest you to keep watching. So on today's video, I am going to be telling you 4 basic apps I used in editing my YouTube video. So before further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first app I'm going to be talking about is Google. You guys, you cannot underestimate the use of Google. There is a saying that Google is your friend. Before we go further, if you guys are hearing a sound, like I don't know if the sound is coming into this video, but then it's for some weird reason. I don't know why my neighbor turned on their gen, because there is light, like I'm filming with light, like PSC, and there is light, but I don't know, maybe they are prepared or whatnot. I actually don't know what's wrong with them, but we move. So if you are hearing a weird sound in this video, just know that my neighbor has decided to shame me. So that aside, I am talking about Google. The first app I'm going to be talking about is Google. Like, there is a saying that make Google your friend. Like, Google is everybody's friend. Like, there is nothing in this world that you type on Google that it will not bring one suggestion or the other. So the basic reason I use Google is if I'm titling my video, like if I want to title my video now, I actually don't want to misspell or use a wrong adjective or whatnot. So anything I want to anything I want to title my video with, I make sure I check Google for the meaning. I would like to know if the meaning on Google is the same meaning like I meant by using that word. So that is basically what I use my Google for. So I am going to be turning my camera now, so to show you the apps on my phone. So the first one I talked about is Google. So let me just turn my camera and show you guys. You are entitled to it. Just type anything you would like to search for. So that is the first app I'll be talking about in this video. And the next app I'll be talking about is my Canva. Like, you guys, you cannot underestimate the use of Canva. Like, it is free. You can just download it from your Play Store or Apple Store. So here is the Canva. Like, what I usually do with my Canva is I design my thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails. I design my YouTube banner. I design my art, like every single beautiful thumbnails you see on my video. Like, thumbnails is basically what attracts people to your video. Like, it's just, let me put it like, it's just a background. Like, it is what people will see before they view your video, before they watch your video. So there is this design I made the last time. I uploaded it on Facebook and Instagram. Like, it's basically a banner. So I used Canva to design it, and it's coming up. Okay, yeah, so it's Bukenzio's corner. My what I do on YouTube: lifestyle, family, DIY, and vlogs. And then there's another thing down there, new video every week, and that's my picture up there. So how you get to use this this Canva? You go to your home page, that's on Canva app, and so here is your home page on Canva, and what you do is search your content. There is this space, search your content on Canva, and what you just do is just click that place, type YouTube thumbnails, then search. It will bring you various design, and you are the one to pick which design goes with what you are like what your video is all about. You are the ones to decide on which thumbnails is basically favoring what you are uploading. So you can see various example of thumbnails. So this is my life lately. This is what have I done, skin co. This is my 30 days reading challenge. Like, which one, each one has their meanings, and you should be able to select which one you would like to use. So let's assume I'm using this. So I clicked on my life lately. Let's assume my video is about my life lately. Like, you just click it. Let's assume I love what this is all about, or should, in case you don't want this my, or you want to add another word, you just type the word let's say a life lately is your choice. And then let's say this picture, you would like to change this picture. You can as well change this picture by clicking on it, by clicking on the picture and replace the picture with yours. You can actually replace the picture with your home picture. Let's say I'm using this picture, so I'd already click on the picture, you see. So this is the picture I'm using as my background. So you should be able to drag your picture to your preference. So this is it. Let's say this is the way I want it, and let's say this color, you like to change this color. You can as well change this color you are seeing. You can come down here. This is color. The color you are seeing here is purple. You can as well change it to any color of your choice. So let's say this is what I want, and I'm going to go ahead to save my image Canva. So you save your design, it will bring you to this page, preparing your design. So let's say this is the what's it called, this is my thumbnail. This is what I want to use for my thumbnails. You will see how I'll go ahead and use it in my video. I think the server is slow. Okay, yeah, so this is saved to my gallery. So the third app I'll be talking about, I'm going to home on this is my phone, this is my home page. So I'm going to show you another amazing app I use, and the next amazing app I use is my InShot. Like, you guys, InShot does InShot does like everything you can think of. So let's say I want to use my InShot. Sometimes I would like to put music in my thumbnails. Like, what if you want to put music in your thumbnails? You already saw me click down my thumbnails I designed with my Canva, and you shift your, what's it called, you shift your the icons you are seeing. So the next thing I'm just going to do is, let's say I'm going to be putting filter. Like, you should select what filter you would like to use. Anything you like to do on your thumbnails, you are free to go ahead and do it, but in this case I am not going to be putting any filter in my thumbnails, so I'm just going to leave it to original. So this is it. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is add another sticker. Like, I want to add this sticker now. So this is it. So I added the sticker. This is what I use my my InShot for. And another thing you can use your InShot for is to add music. Like, should in case you make a video, without music, you can actually add music on InShot. So let's say the only thing I'm adding to this picture is this sticker. I'm just going to go ahead and save it. The next and the final app I used for my video, for editing my video, is no other but VN. Oh my goodness, VN is such an amazing app. VN is available for Mac. You guys are seeing, like, you can actually use VN rather on your system. So this like, the good thing about the VN is that it saves your previous project. Like, you can see the project I already did. I already done 10 projects on this app, and I'm just going to show you how I go about a new project. So another thing I will go to is, let's say I want to make a video. Let's say I want to make a video with my phone, and if you are making a YouTube video, you make sure your phone is horizontal like this, and you switch your camera to front camera. So let's say I'm making a video like this. Let's say I'm making like several videos. Hi guys, Bukenzio here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. I hope you are doing fine. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I love you all, and I'm going to be seeing you next in my video. So let's say we are done with that, and I'm just going to make another video as an example. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to another interesting vlog. I am going to be showing you how I tongue my hair. So let's say we are done making that video. So now let's go to the app I use in editing my video, which is VN. So I told you I use VN basically for my video. So these are the projects I have. Like, these are the projects I've done so far. I have 10 projects on this, because you can actually clean your older projects since you already uploaded them on your YouTube. So let's say I'm going to start editing another video. So you click on plus sign, new project, and these are the 2 videos I made just now. You select 1, 2, these are the videos, and you click next. While clicking next, while your video is processing, you get to see it once it's done processing. I don't know if I'm making myself that clear. So here is the video. So the first video, you first of all play it. Okay, so this is the video. You can see the video is showing wrong side, so you can actually turn your video. You can actually rotate your video rather. So I'm trying to rotate my video. So here is my video. Hi guys, Bukenzio here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. As you guys are seeing it, so thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I love you all, and I'm going to be seeing you next in my video. So that's the first video. So this is the second video. You click on the video and you click on rotate. So I'm trying to rotate my video, so it's quite okay now. So here is the duration of the video. It's 24 seconds. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to be adding rather is that, do you remember that my thumbnail I made? I'm going to be clicking this plus sign to insert my thumbnails to before the video. So you click on picture photo and you click on the thumbnail you did. You know there are 2 thumbnails. There is one without this what's it called, this emoji, and there is another one with emoji. So since it's this one, I'll be needing, so I already click this. So if you play the video once more, you realize that you first of all get to see the first thing before the video. So let's say you like to split this video. You know this video is a little bit long, and you realize you made a mistake somewhere here. So you can actually click on this place and click split. As you can see, my video is split into 2. So let's say you want to drag where the mistake is, you can actually drag it a little bit. That doesn't mean your video won't continue playing all together. So let's check. Hi guys, Bukenzio here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are well. I hope you are doing fine. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love you all, and I'm going to be seeing you next in my video. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to another interesting vlog. I am going to be showing you how I tongue my hair. I paused the video. Let's say this remaining part, you don't need the remaining part. You just click split, and this is the remaining part you split out. And let's say I want to delete that part. I'm just going to click on it and delete. Do you understand? Let's say this directed and impute title. You can actually delete this thing this is a delete. And let's say you had already made your directed and titled whatnot, that thing you saw before we delete. And the good thing about Canva is you can reverse what you deleted. You see that I clicked here and I was able to reverse what I deleted. Let's say I want to delete it, and I'm just going to click here to delete. But if you are not deleting it, and if you are looking forward to get something like directed and by, you input title. Let's say you want this thing, you can actually get yours done on Canva. I showed you earlier, but oh my goodness, they took the light already. I'm not sure if it's focusing. I'm just going to manage and get done with this video. We are almost done. So what I was saying is, let's say I deleted that and that's all. So you're just going to swipe and check if your video is okay. So here is it.
Hi guys.
So then this cover is very important. Let's say this cover, that is where your thumbnails is meant to be. So you are going to check what you want your thumbnails to be. If you want your thumbnails to be this, you are good to go. And if you want it to show yourself before the video, it is basically left to you. So let's say this is what I want. I'm just going to click here. I'm just going to mark here, and my thumbnail is ready for the video. So you click it once more so you can see the cover. I told you that thumbnails is what will attract people to your video. So you are just going to click cover and you are good to go. So now I'm done editing my video. Like I said earlier, you can actually add thanks for watching at the end. So let's say I am done editing my video and you're just going to save your video. After saving your video, you get to see your video here. And if you are done, like if you are okay with the video, you can actually just save it and go back and forth and continue doing what you want to do on your phone. That is if you are not done, if you are not finally done with your video. You can actually add more clips to your preference. And if you are done adding clips, you can just click VN, you can click it and get your video. And if you want to get your video exported to your gallery, all you have to do is just click export your video. Every other thing here you should just ignore. It is okay according to the app. So the next thing you're just going to do is select here, and your video is exporting. You are exporting your video, and as you can see, exporting video. Please do not lock the screen or leave the app. So yeah, so we are basically done editing. If you like, you can put title. If you like, you can ignore. But once you ignore, you just save your album. So I'm done saving my album, and if you want to get your video, just go to your home page and you get your video in your gallery. So here is my gallery, and you just get to see the video. You can see that the thumbnails is obviously showing before I even click on the video. The thumbnail is the one I'm going to be seeing. You understand? So this is how it will show to your friends and family. This is how it will show to your subscribers. So if your subscriber is thrilled with what he or she saw on the videos, you can as well click the video. Do you understand? So you guys, I have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it was your while. I hope you understand how I was able to show you stuff I used in editing, how I edit my video. So if you guys enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share and comment on my video, and I am going to be seeing you in my next one. Bye guys.